In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shape crop an image effortlessly. Whether you're designing a flyer, preparing a presentation, or simply spicing up your documents, mastering the art of shape cropping can add that extra touch of creativity and professionalism. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to insert the image you'd like to edit. To do this, head over to the Insert tab at the top of your document or slide. Click on Image. Here, you have options to choose from. You can either upload a picture from your device or select an image from a variety of online sources, depending on what you're working with. Take a moment to find the right image you want to work with. Once selected, your image will appear on the page, ready for some creative cropping. Next, click on your image. You'll notice blue handles surrounding it, indicating that the image is selected. This means you're now ready for the next step. Above your image, in the toolbar, there's a crop image icon that resembles two overlapping right angles. Beside this icon, there's a small down arrow. Click on that arrow. In some applications, you might also find an option by right-clicking on the image and selecting Mask Image to Shape. But essentially, the goal is to navigate to the drop-down menu where the magic happens. From the drop-down menu, you'll see several categorically organized shapes, such as shapes, arrows, callouts, and many more. This is where you get to be creative. Hover over and explore these groups to find a shape that fits the vision you have for your image. Maybe you fancy a classic circle or oval, or perhaps a star or an arrow could better highlight a particular focus. Take your time to decide. Once you find the perfect shape, give it a click. The shape will now be applied to your image. Now, it's time to perfect the image's composition within the shape. Double-click on the masked shape. This will bring you into the Crop Edit mode. Here, you'll see two sets of handles. The black handles let you adjust which part of the image is visible within the shape. This is where you can fine-tune the framing, choosing the best part of the image to showcase. Meanwhile, the blue handles allow you to resize the entire shape along with the image. You can drag the image itself to reposition it, or pull on the corners of the shape to adjust the size. And there you have it. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with these techniques at your fingertips, you'll be ready to enhance your images with creative flair. Keep experimenting, and you'll quickly see how much this skill can elevate your projects. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see the creative results you achieve.